Wait a minute.
There's a guy there saying, I play saxophone.
And he just happens to have one with him, I think.
Fancy that.
Well, they...
Who'd have thunk it?
I don't know. Earlier, he was like bothering us up here, and I'm like, who's this homeless guy bothering us? I thought they threw him out. So wait a minute, man. Are you any good?
I was going to say, nice shirt for a homeless guy.
He's the best-looking homeless guy I've seen in a while. Well-coiffed. But I got a song for him. Maybe he can try it.
See if he's any good. What do you guys think? Does he look like he can... Yeah, we'll see.
So this, a long time ago, because guitar players wanted to also play loud, they made, this is a company called Bacon, and they made this particular instrument in the 1920s. So this is a Bacon Git Joe. So basically it's a guitar, basically in a banjo, and it's beautiful. And it sounds like this. Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. Gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. Gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Don't wanna be your hero, 'cause that zero too low to see. Don't wanna be your highness, but that minus is too low to see. Come on, Joe.
Take two, they're small.
Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Gotta have something.
Billy Preston, right?